of snow last night. It's hard to tell how much we actually got because of how much wind and all that, and it's that like really light powdery kind of snow. Not really good for snowballs or anything fun like that. What do you want to say?
Thank you to our YouTube channel.
All right, look at all this snow, guys. Oh. Ah! Oh no! There we go. I mean, I'd say we got like 4 to 6 inches maybe. With all the wind and all that that's going around, it's like all over the place. So there's some spots where it's super deep and some spots where it's really not. Boop. Boop, boop. So we are outside enjoying some of the snowy weather today. We are glad that you could join us. Oh no! Hey, make a snow angel. Is it too cold?
How wood can I go?
1, 2, 3, go. All right. Bridget, what do you think of the snow? Do you like it? You found the ground. It's still there, huh? Follow you. We're going on an adventure. That wind is nasty. Oh, there's not much snow behind here. You beat me. Yeah, it's a little too cold to play basketball. What mountain? Are you guys seriously all done?